Virtually every cannabis professional will either build or see an investment pitch deck and is well aware that data is the key to telling a meaningful story. Within the charts library of Equio, you can access over 1,000 charts and graphs that are visualizing these critical data insights. These charts can either be filtered by related analyst report or by searching for a keyword. To view the full image of any given chart, click on the chart that you are interested in to open the chart viewer. Within the chart viewer, Equio Pro subscribers are also given the option to download and repurpose these charts without watermarks to use in their own articles, research papers, or even pitch decks. We here at New Frontier Data look forward to helping you meet your cannabis business intelligence needs. And on behalf of the entire team, thank you.